Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden.
Hi mga kabeshi, it's Howin and I'm here at Changi Airport Terminal 3. Waiting for my flight to United Kingdom. Yay! So, it's a 13-hour flight. I'm hoping na makatulog po ako.
Mountain Laurel high five.
During the flight kasi
Miles in spring. Rain
so if you're wondering that I got schooled up po ako for the past 2 days of this year. And currently I'm waiting for a friend to arrive. He is on his way here and then sabay-sabay na kami magkape dito kasi I'm reading that both of us will have enough sleep kasi nga party here, party there, party everywhere. So I will try my best na ma-document ko lahat ng mga lakad natin kasi nangarin pa ako. And ayun. See you guys later. Bye!
1 hour later.
Dumating na po siya! Yay! Ako din eh. Ano? Okay, mag-shades po kami kasi malalaki pong eye bags. Para pang tago. Guys, tapos na po kami mag-check-in. Oh my God, vlogger na ako. I will try my best to vlog.
Hindi mo natin ba doon?
Oo. Lutang. Wait lang. Di ba i-check nila? Hindi? Nagka-check-in na po kami. Waiting for ayan. No sleep lang. Guys, hindi na po tayo. Hanggang na po. Hello guys, ito na po yung food namin. Ikaw na nga ma-vlog, Beshi. Dapat kasi may ano tayo.
One eternity later.
It's been our pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
Hello guys, we are here at
Frankfurt
Airport. So hanap namin yung wait.
Saan tayo?
Sige, go. Carry go. Hello guys, we are here London. So nakalimutan na namin mag-vlog since Frankfurt. Hindi tayo nag-vlog dun eh. I mean, nakalimutan na namin mag-video. Kasi haggard po kami, okay? So, tomorrow na ako magsi-serious. Promise. Bye.
Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden.
Hello guys, it's 5 AM. We're here now. Naghahanap kami ng train.
Yung local time ba lang dito sa...
Okay, anong local time dito? 9:41 PM. 9:13 pala.
Ito yung car dati.
Ha?
Yes.
Nice. Ganda ng airport. In fair.
8 hours.
Yala.
One eternity later.
Good morning! Nakatulog na kami ng maayos. And today we are going around the city. we are going around the city and explore. Sana ma-video lahat kasi lagi kong nakakalimutan.
Walk up the river
We're going to Harry Potter.
at night.
See you later, alligator.
Feet step over splinters of the moon.
Gosh, para tayong Korean. So, mag-explore po kami today around. Wait lang.
Wait lang sa video pa yun.
So, mag-explore kami today around 1, 2, 3. Dapat sabay tayo magsabi na
Kasi
lang.
minarealize ako.
Ano?
Mukhang balat ko to.
So, mag-explore kami today around
London.
London! Hindi kami nakaprepare, okay? So,
Ano na to?
good luck to us. Hindi po ako magsasalita na. Video na lang. Bye!
Golden, golden things. Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow